Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be doing a case study based question from the chapter Triangles for class 10. The question goes like this. Nasima is fly fishing in a stream. The tip of her fishing rod is 1.8 meter above the surface of water. So the tip of the rod, this is the tip of the rod, it is 1.8 meter above the surface of water, and the fly at the end of the string rests on water 3.6 meter away. So the fly is resting 3.6 meter away and 2.4 meter from a point directly under the tip of the rod. So under the tip of the rod it is 2.4. Total distance from Nasima it will be 3.6 meters. So they have split and given 2.4 meter from a point directly under the tip of the rod. They have given, and the total distance from Nasima is 3.6 meter, the end of the string. The string end is at this point C. Now she is pulling the string at the rate of 5 centimeter per second. Nasima's friend observed her position and draw a rough sketch by using A, B, C, D. The position of tip, point directly under the tip of the rod, then and Nasima's position, all those things they have given. So position of the tip is at the point A, this point. Then the point directly under the tip of the rod, that is B, and the fish point is at C. So this is the C, and Nasima's position is at D. So all this they have given clearly in the question. Assuming that her string from the tip of her rod to the fly is taut, answer the following questions. Now let's see the questions. What is the length of AC? So this length is 1.8 meter, AB is 1.8 meter, BC is 2.4 meter. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem. This is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. We know that Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of other two sides. So AB square plus BC square. The side opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is AC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So we need to do this 1.8 the whole square plus 2.4 the whole square. Okay, so when you simplify this, we'll have 1.8 the whole square is 3.24 plus 2.4 is 5.76, which is equal to 9 meters, and square root of, because AC we want, this is AC square, AC will be square root of 9 meters, which is equal to 3 meters. Now second question, what is the length of the string pulled in 12 seconds? They have given clearly here. She is pulling the string at the rate of 5 centimeter per second. So 1 second she is pulling at 5 centimeter. So 12 second means 5 into 12, which is equal to 60 centimeter, but they have given the answer in meters. 1 centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 60 centimeter, when you convert into meter, it will be 0.6 meters. Now what is the length of the string after 12 seconds? So after 12 seconds, what will be the length of the string? Now the total length of the string AC, it is given as total length of the string, just now we got this as 3 meters. So the length of the string, this is 3 meters. But after pulled in, the string, some length of the string will be reduced because 0.6 meter has been pulled in after 12 seconds. So what will be the length of the string after 12 seconds? So from the total length of the string 3 meters, you have to subtract 0.6 meter, which is equal to 2.4 meters. So the length of the string is 2.4 meters, and length of the string has been reduced after 12 seconds. Length of the string has been pulled in. So now it will be here, this length is 2.4 meters. We can mark this as E. 2.4 meters. Next question. What will be the horizontal distance of the fly from her after 12 seconds? So after 12 seconds, now the string is here. We need to find this horizontal distance. So how will you find this horizontal distance? We already know that BD is 1.2. Again we have to find out BE. BE you can find out using Pythagoras theorem. So let's find out BE. So BE square is equal to AE square minus AB square. By Pythagoras theorem, I can write the relation AE square is equal to AB square plus BE square. So since we want BE, we have to subtract. So 2.4 the whole square minus 1.8 the whole square, 5.76 minus 3.24 we have to do, which is equal to 2.52. So this is BE square. If you want BE, we have to take the square root. 2.52 square root when you take, you will get 1.587. So this length is 1.587. But we want the full length from Nasima. What is the horizontal distance of the fly from her? That is the question. So 1.587 plus 1.2 you have to add. So which is equal to 2.787. So the answer is 2.787 meters. The given problem is based on which concept? We are using triangle concept. This question is asked from the chapter triangles. So this is a case study based question from the chapter triangles, and here we have used the concept Pythagoras theorem, that is, in a right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of other two sides. Thank you for watching my video.